Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope all of you in good health. And let me introduce myself. My name is Restu Puji Mumpuni. You can call me Restu. I'm one of lecturers in Production Technology and Agricultural Community Development, College of Vocational Studies in IPB University. And I would like deliver material about urban farming in Indonesia. How urban farming in Indonesia can be a solution to increase food security with a aquaponic method in the new normal era. And let's begin. We know we are now in COVID-19 pandemic era, and the COVID-19 pandemic have had a significant impact on human life in various aspects of people's life. And the government give their policy such as large-scale social restriction and restriction on community activities. And the impact, especially in socio-economic impact on the community, is the food needs. And the solution, in household scale, the community must meet their food needs independently through urban farming. Now, the definition of urban farming is an activity of growing, processing, and distributing food and other products through plant cultivation and fisheries in urban areas and using or reusing natural resources and urban waste to obtain a variety of crops by FAO 2008 and Urban Agriculture Committee of the CFSC 2003. And the form of urban farming include agriculture is small intensive livestock and fisheries, food production in housing, rooftop garden, greenhouses in school, restaurant integrated with garden, food production in public spaces, vegetable production in public spaces, and also verticulture farming. And this is the picture example rooftop garden for urban farming in Indonesia, application of hydroponic system and verticulture. And also in the yard, we can apply the verticulture, reuse material like bamboo, glazes, pipe, and etc. And the benefits of urban farming have 5 values: ecology, economic, education, physiological, and health value. In ecological value, to create green spaces in urban area. In economic value, increase household income, which may lead to profit and sustainable income. In education value, as a source of knowledge. Psychological value as a hobby and mental health of the family. And health value, meeting the needs of vitamins, mineral, protein, and can increase immunity during a pandemic. And one of the urban farming practices that can meet the needs of vitamins, mineral, and protein is aquaponic. And aquaponic is an agrofisheries application. What is agrofisheries application? In agrofisheries application, we integrated fishery component and agriculture component in one area. And the benefit of aquaponic is environmentally friendly by paying attention to the balance between fish, plant, microbes, and create a circulation system as well as with a simple system. And this system is also very potential in supporting the sustainability of the food production system. Nitrogen-rich waste in aquaculture is utilized by plants, and this system not only produces fish as aquaculture products, but also produces crops such as vegetables, which can be harvested regularly with the quality of cultivated water maintained even without water changes. And we call agrofisheries like aquaponic because in agro-fisheries, we integrated agricultural component and fishery component. And agro-fisheries is a part of integrated farming system. Example in Indonesia, in rural area, we applicate Minapadi. In Minapadi, we cultivated rice, and also we can give the fish seeds, and so we can harvest it, fish and also rice. And the other example is aquaponic and aquascape. Now, what is integrated farming? Integrated farming, it is a technique of cultivating a variety of plants or cultures when the result of one cultivation are used for other cultivation. So they can balance all organic nutrients and become environmentally friendly and sustainable agriculture. You can see in the picture, integrated farming is a part of sustainable agriculture. And in sustainable agriculture, besides integrated farming, we must apply integrated crop management and integrated pest management. In Haryadi 2011, integrated farming, we can define it an agriculture system that integrates the activities of the agriculture subsector, plants, livestock, fish, to increase the efficiency and productivity of resource. And the resource, what is the resource? Land, people, and other growth factor. So the farmer can self-reliance and more welfare. And this is the type of integrated farming system. Besides agro-fisheries, there are agroforestry. In agroforestry, we integrated forest component and agriculture component. And the other, agropastura. In agropastura, we can integrate livestock farming or poultry with agriculture component. And now about aquaponic, the application in Indonesia. Usually the fishery, we have fish pond. And if the area above fish pond, we can cultivate vegetable, so we applicated aquaponic system. We can cultivate vegetable. So aquaponic is a process of symbiotic growth of aquatic organisms and plants, in which aquaculture waste undergoes microbial transformation to be used as a source of nutrients for plant growth, while nutrient absorption from plants improves water for cultivation. So the water quality for the fish is increased. And the application of aquaponic in household scale in Indonesia now like Budidamber. Budidamber is budidaya ikan dan kangkung dalam ember, or a technique of cultivating fish in a bucket that combines with the cultivation of vegetable on it. The fish in Budidamber, usually we use catfish, and the vegetables is kangkung. Kangkung and fish, catfish, we apply in Budidamber because kangkung have high adaptation, and also the catfish. Catfish need less oxygen. And the Budidamber can help family food security and can also be used for commercial purpose. Now, if we want to apply the Budidamber, the tools and materials we use is bucket, 80 liters bucket. We use the big bucket so the population of the fish can be increased. And for media the kangkung, we use coconut shell charcoal because the coconut shell charcoal can be to be the filter for the water. And for the media the growth of kangkung, we use plastic glasses, reuse, and wire for on the glasses, and also catfish seeds, pliers, solder, and kangkung seeds. The catfish seeds, We can use size 5 to 10 centimeter, and the amount is 60 to 100 catfish. And then the media preparation. Fill the bucket with 60 liters of water. Add the catfish and don't forget to set the glass on the edge of the bucket. And the other aquaponic application in Indonesia is vertiminaponics. Vertiminaponics from the research of PPTP Jakarta 2015. Vertiminaponics is an agricultural practices that utilizes the integration between fish and plant cultivation in one field. There are two main parts in vertiminaponics, namely vegetable verticulture and fish farming. This agriculture practices has the potential to be developed in narrow areas such as in urban land. And vertiminaponics and Buridambar are the application of aquaponics and have a lot of advantages like save water, save energy and time, save fertilizer, save growing media, free from inorganic fertilizers and pesticide. Vegetable and fish production can be applied in a narrow yard, has excellent economic and aesthetic value. Vertiminaponic, the concept, the dirt of fish and food residue will be transported with the flow of the water to the growing media, and the dirt and fish feed will be filtered by the planting media so that it can be used as a source of nutrient for plants. And plants are fertilized organically, so they are safe for consumption. The filtered water becomes clean again, so it is rich in oxygen, and high oxygen levels will stimulate fish growth. This is the installation or planting technique of vertiminaponic, and I have a video about the installation, but I'm so sorry in Bahasa Indonesia, but I hope you can understand how installed the vertiminaponic by see this video. About 3 minutes video. Please waiting, still loading. if you want to know about Vertiminaponik, you can see in the website of BPTP Jakarta 2015, and you can translate to English. Yeah. And the last aquaponic in urban area, aquascape. But aquascape is a hobby. Maybe we can decorating an aquarium using stones, wood, sand, and aquatic plants. So this is a hobby, and you can sell the aquarium with the aquascape with the high price also. Okay, thank you. This is the reference I use for this presentation. Thank you. If you have